I don't get it, Tom, really. Look, is it now 2,000 cryptocurrencies? Something like that, and growing daily?
Thousands. Yeah.
I mean, you should see the PR people who come to me and say, put this on, it's great, it's a new cryptocurrency. I mean, there are a dime a dozen.
Yeah, I think there doesn't need to be this many cryptocurrencies, right?
But there are.
And I think that some are objects of speculation, but again, if you look at the stock market, there's thousands of securities. It doesn't mean there aren't real companies out there.
I understand.
So I think...
But you're out on a limb. I mean, you're taking a very strong stand here. You're saying to ordinary, regular investors, hey, this is interesting. 25,000 by the end of the year.
Yeah, but that's actually not, it's not a huge leap in value increase. I mean, Bitcoin, 94% of Bitcoin's move has been explained by user growth and then activity per user. That's explained 94% of the move since 2013. So we're just saying you grow user base 50%, there's a network effect, and you keep transaction activity count roughly the same, and you're going to get to 25,000.
Is the reaction from other people like my reaction? Hey, what on earth are you talking about here? I mean,
yeah,
little incredulity.
Yeah, most traditional investors are very skeptical, but in the 1990s, when I was a wireless analyst, many investors were skeptical of cellular technology. They thought it was a gimmick and so much more expensive to use than a landline phone. Sure. But look at today. Everybody uses a cell phone. Digital money is a safer way, ultimately, to move money and store money than traditional money, because even though wallets can get hacked, you can't create fraud on the blockchain.
And
so.
if you buy...
So I love this. Fox News, like I said, is usually pretty negative about cryptocurrencies, but we got a guy here which I agree with. I do see cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, easily by the end of the year hitting 25,000. And for the people that are going to be investing, you do need to do some research and figure out where the value is. And he just brought up a great point, which I think I have brought up before, but if not, definitely go through the channel. And there is a huge value of having digital money, and when it comes to security, and one of the most important things too, which he hasn't mentioned, but if you go through my channel, you'll see, is the fees that banks are charging to hold your money, and just like the ways they steal money and nickel and dime from you. If you're not familiar with it, please go through my channel. Check out Max Kaiser. He does a great job. But like I said, long term, I'm not worried about these dips in the cryptocurrency market, because the future, which is maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 years out from now, there's a huge value. And he brings up a great point with like cell phones. I mean, cell phones seemed like pie in the sky, and they were inefficient. When they first came out, it made no sense to use a cell phone. You didn't have any good reception. It was way too expensive. So, I mean, in a way, this is what cryptocurrencies are now. And you just have to wait for the technology to improve it. And as it does, we're going to see a lot of value come into this market. And like I said, the easiest analogy I can make is that we're sitting on a $300 billion or $400 billion market cap right now, and gold, which I think is very inefficient, is worth $7 trillion. And gold is manipulated very easily by countries and governments. So I have to agree with this guy that's on Fox News. And like I said, even though there's a lot of trolls on Fox News and a lot of negative news, I still think that good information does come out. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going to keep posting content on the news and try to keep you guys informed about cryptocurrencies, give my opinion, and I would love to have your guys' opinion too. So please comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.